all you. Talk, no, come back, talk. What y'all been doing today?
We digged out the hole today for the footers, and we're digging up the dump.
Yeah? You're gonna pile it over there?
Yeah.
You're gonna leave it there?
Yeah. Until we find a dump truck to come get it.
Huh. So that's where y'all's new house is gonna be?
Yeah.
You been helping?
Yeah.
There you have it. Footers are dug out.
Hey, Dad.
Jeremy looks tired. Yeah, you did good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So anyway, why is there garage in my dirt? I mean dirt in my garage. Yeah.
Well, I don't know what we're gonna do with that. I'm gonna haul it off. So we'll do.
Paxton said we were waiting on a dump truck to come get it.
Well, we're waiting on a dump trailer that we buy to come get it.
Huh. So there's 54 of them over there?
I don't know. So some of them were so close together because the bucket was exactly 24 that they caved in together. So we had to make like big, huge, massive, one big footer.
Yeah.
Instead
Is that
of-
okay?
It's gonna be extra concrete,
Huh.
but it is what it is at this point.
So when are they poured? 7th?
Yeah.
How do we keep those from filling back up with junk?
Well, they're not even done. I've got to come out here with a transit and level the bottoms and square them up, and I got to do that Monday.
Who?
Yeah.
How are you gonna get a Ford van in there? You said a transit.
Never mind.
We'll just, I'll just show you in the video.
Those who know, know.
Yeah, those who don't, don't.
Yeah, exactly.
So tell us what we've won, James. A mud hole?
Oh, I won you a new shovel. I thought you were going to let me film today and you were going to do this.
Oh, you know that's the kind that don't fit my hands. Look at you out here working in the morning. He looks like he's miserable. That looks fancy. Is that transit we were talking about?
Yep.
Hmm.
Put some more dirt in it and level it all out. Just run all that level.
On today's episode, we talk about free child labor.
You call it free child labor, I call it teaching.
Oh.
Whatever.
So they weren't wet. That's good. It poured the rain last night. So take 3 recording this because we got an SD card there. Lots of fancy stuff going on here. I don't understand. So basically he's checking all the footers and then you got to put rebar in them.
I gotta put a grading pin in them.
Grading pin in them.
Yep.
And then hopefully, weather permitting, they're pouring them on
Thursday.
Inspections tomorrow.
Yeah.
And it's gonna rain soon. So this is the last step besides finishing the septic, right? They're just gonna put the
As far as what I'm doing.
lines in.
Yeah.
And then there's-
I think I gotta bring the water line over here eventually.
Yeah. And then she's ready to set.
Yep. Oh, it'll be ready to set after this. I ain't bring the water line over
Too late to set.
until it's set and I know where to bring it.
Right. Get her done.
So we had some time lapse going on. Hayden, there's a piece of stick in there. Pull that out right there. We had a time lapse going, and one of our young helpers decided they were going to move the camera and turn it off, and we didn't realize it. So here we are after we poured the concrete. Everything is poured and ready to go. The holes ended up being a little deeper than I thought they were going to be, but it is what it is. Not a big deal. Here we are, getting closer and closer and closer. Hey, did you help today? Mm-hmm. What'd you do? Other than about to fall in the concrete. Back up now.